Broadway producers for the last few decades have struggled to overcome three major issues: accessibility, affordability, and most elusive, longevity. How do you get butts in the seats? And more importantly, how do you get them to come back? Say hello to Veatrix, a radical new multimedia company that partners live theater and episodic television. Each episode playing on Broadway will be one episode ahead of every streaming release. Imagine a family in Michigan watching one of our fully produced, scripted TV shows in the comfort of their own home. Let's say they fall in love with the pilot episode and decide to book their plane tickets to the Big Apple to see the next episode live. The connection we create by reaching them at home is priceless. Even the tourists we reach on the flight to NYC for the weekend can be hooked on one of our shows by the time the plane lands, and be seated in our Broadway theater to watch the next episode that same evening. The average age of the Broadway theater goer is 42.3 years old, with the average age hovering between 40 and 45 years old for the past 2 decades. Veatrix closes the age gap by targeting an entirely new, untapped crop of consumers. This graph from Samba TV demonstrates how many unique households have watched Hamilton on Disney Plus from July 3rd through July 14th. An astounding 2.86 million in just 12 days. Veatrix intends to capitalize on this new age of streaming, and with that additional finance base, we would be able to subsidize ticket sales for our live show. Longevity. You are exposed to each character and story arc at home, and when you're dying to know what happens next, that's when you'll book your ticket to come see the next episode live. Veatrix, episodic theater from the comfort of your own home.